Pwede bang i-cancel ng insurance company ang insurance policy mo? Let's find out.
Advocating the rights and interests of the insuring public.
Ayon sa Section 26 ng Insurance Code, a neglect to communicate that which a party knows and ought to communicate is called a concealment. At sabi naman ng Section 27, a concealment, whether intentional or unintentional, entitles the injured party to rescind a contract of insurance. Ibig sabihin, kapag itinago mo at hindi mo dinisclose ang mga information na material sa contract, like health history, ay merong right ang insurance company na i-cancel ang insurance policy mo. So, to protect your interest, dapat honest ka sa pag-fill out mo ng application at paglalagay ng data sa iyong insurance application. Para maiwasan natin na ma-cancel yung ating insurance policy, lalo na kung sa panahon na kailangan mo siya. Mag-comment ka lang if you have further questions. Remember, who your insurance advisor is the most important.